Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. I am super duper excited to be joining Simple Stories Saturdays where we use our simple stories, and it is a scrapbooking collab and a YouTube where some of us YouTubers get together and we do just simple stories. So this is one of the layouts that I did while I was at the crop, and I pulled out the Simple Life collection. That is going to be the collection that I use for the photos of just my husband and I on our family photos. So I have decided that I am going to knock out all of our family photos that we just took this past year in 2022 when Josh got back from deployment. We have not updated our family photos in a hot minute, and we added a fur baby, so they need, Mr. Asher needs to be in our photos as well. So what I did is that I am going to make this my cover page. And what I am doing is I am following a sketch that you saw just a little bit on my page or from it, but it is in my sketchbook from the first sketchbook that I have done. Now, I have just released the second sketchbook, and all of those links will be down below in my description of the volume 1, volume 2 if you've already purchased volume 1, but volume 2, and then if you haven't purchased either one of them, you can purchase it as a bundle at a discounted rate. So here I am going through all of the papers, and I absolutely love this. So like I said, this is going to be my cover page, and my title is going to be called Forever Home. I feel that that's very fitting for the cover page for my photos because I have a lot and I want to be able to use almost all of them at this point. So I started out using the brush that I borrowed from Amy, and this is Speckled Egg, and the brush just wasn't working well. So I have to say that I personally like using these brushes better than I do anything else. Now, I have worked with Distress Oxides, and you guys have seen me use Distress Oxides a lot for my backgrounds, and I'm starting to really enjoy adding the background pieces to this to pop those papers off my page. I don't know, I did it with one of my layouts, and I'm like, you know what, I really like doing this, and I'm going to keep doing it. So that's what I've been doing. So this is a really good dry type technique if you don't want to have that much mixed media showing or you're not quite sure what to do. This is going to be the best way to do it. And I tried to make it a little bit wet, and I'm like, it didn't work like I wanted it to. And so I was like, oh, that's okay. So I let it dry, and then I came in with my black paint. So my black paint splatter, I went and did a bunch of black, and then my little trick to make these rings look like really cute is halfway putting black around the rim, and then make sure that you do clean it off. Otherwise, it doesn't open up for the next time because the paint dries and then it sticks out. So I am only using these few photos. Excuse me. Make sure that you go check out everybody that's linked down below for Simple Stories. You will absolutely love. I love this collaboration, and I'm excited to be here. So I hope that you guys enjoy my first layout for this collab. I use Simple Stories a lot, and let me tell you, I have seen the Simple Stories that are coming out in April or around April. Holy cow, holy maloli, you guys will be seeing me use it a lot. Like oh my gosh. I'm super excited. So I think I'm going to have a bin that's just got Simple Stories, I swear. Lately here, and I have to say I love Simple Stories, but I also know that with all collections, it's kind of like a hit and miss. And lately, there has been a ton of collections that I've just loved about them. And sooner or later, Simple Stories, if you're listening, I would love to be either a guest designer or be part of your design team. I keep trying, and I'm going to keep trying. Like, they are definitely the collection. I mean, this is one of the collections I would love to be on the design team. So what I'm doing is that after a hot second, I was like, I need some foam white thickers, and Amy had some white thinner ones, and it says Forever Home. And I feel that this is very fitting. So off camera, I fixed the Forever so that it sticks there. And then I go through. So I ended up getting a duplicate pack of these florals. I absolutely love these florals. They're like simply amazing. And at the crop, 2Gs was there. And she carries a lot of Simple Stories and a couple other collections that Fran got me like hooked on. Is 2G, so I'll link her shop down below. But I ended up getting another kit, paper kit, and I don't, y'all. You all know that it's like one and done when I buy collections. I actually purchased another set of the collection pack from Simple Stories because I love this collection so much. It speaks to me. Even like Fran and Amy are like, yep, this is definitely a Webber's collection, definitely. And it is. I just love it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my first collection of doing this and the first time for this collab. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. My crop is going heavy in my group, so that's all linked down below. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you go check out everybody else in this hop. And I am super excited to be here. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.